What is going on, people? My name is Antoine, this is ATM Tech, and welcome to the channel. So in today's video I have an unboxing of the brand new Samsung S21 FE, aka Fan Edition. Now this just literally landed in the post today, so I wasted no time getting together a quick unboxing video for you. As well as an unboxing, I'll be giving you my first thoughts and impressions based on the short amount of time I've spent with the phone. So the S21 FE is the second fan edition of the S series that Samsung have brought out. The first being the S20 FE, which was released last year. The idea behind the fan edition series is to provide a flagship type experience for an affordable price, and obviously to achieve that affordable price, a few corners do need to be cut. The idea behind the fan edition series is to provide a near flagship type experience at a more affordable price point. The way that Samsung are able to provide that more affordable price is to use slightly different materials and hardware, whilst making sure to keep the things that make a phone a flagship. The S20 FE was a great phone and wildly popular, even winning MKBHD's Phone of the Year in 2020. And obviously Samsung will be looking to replicate some of that success with the S21 FE. Right now it's far too early to say whether it is a winner, but I will definitely be doing a full review in the near future. So watching this unboxing, you will have noticed that the S21 FE comes in a very slim box. And you know what that means? Yep. No charger. This is definitely a direction that Samsung are going to continue to go down. So if you've got any good fast chargers at home, make sure you look after them, because if you buy this phone, you won't be getting a new one. The S21 FE does, however, come with a Type-C to Type-C cable and supports 25-watt super fast charging. Just to give you a rundown on the specs, it has a Snapdragon 888 processor, 6 or 8 GB of RAM depending on region, 128 GB of storage, 6.4-inch Full HD 120Hz display, triple camera system with a wide, ultra wide and telephoto zoom, 32 megapixel front facing camera, 4500 mAh battery, 25-watt super fast charging, IP68 water resistance, and it ships with Android 12 out of the box. So just initially holding the phone, seeing how it feels quite nice in the hand. It is significantly lighter than the S21. It does have a plastic body, however so does a regular S21, so I'm not quite sure what they've done to make the phone feel so much lighter. On the back, the camera module is slightly different, where on the original S21 the camera module was a separate part and attached to the frame. On the S21 FE, the module is all part of the back and the frame is separate, and it gives a single tone look rather than a dual tone look. The back is made of a bit of a weird material. It's kind of like a soft matte, where usually matte picks up less fingerprint smudges, but in this case it feels like it picks up more than usual, so that's a bit of an L, to be honest. The phone does have a fingerprint scanner. It is an optical scanner rather than an ultrasonic scanner found on the rest of the S21 series, so it will light up just before you put your finger down to unlock the phone. I wouldn't say it's lightning fast, but I wouldn't say it's slow either. I'd say it's adequate. The placement of the scanner is actually quite interesting. To me, it's significantly lower than what you find on most of other Samsung phones. And I think whether the placement is a good thing or a bad thing is going to depend on you individually. So I've mentioned the S21 a couple times, and I will be doing an in-depth comparison on the two phones, because when the S21 was originally released earlier last year, I felt as though it was pretty much a fan edition, so I was confused as to what they were going to do when they did eventually bring out a fan edition. So I'll definitely be looking at the similarities and differences between the S21 FE and the regular S21. The S21 FE starts at $699, which is only £100 less than the S21, and considering the S21 has been out for nearly a year now, you are going to see significant price drops. So it's interesting to see whether one cannibalizes the other, or whether they can coexist. If you want to see that video, make sure you're subscribed. But for now, I will be putting my SIM card in this phone and be using it as my daily driver to really get the full experience and tell you guys what this phone is really like to use. But for now, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.